How to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so as you can see here in Snapchat, if I go and send an image in a chat, it'll just send it as a picture. It will not send it as a snap. So in order to do that, all I need to do is go back to the main screen of Snapchat here where I have my camera. In the bottom where you see the filters, you can scroll to the right. And once you scroll over a filter, you'll then see a search icon in the bottom right of the app of Snapchat. Select the search icon and then go to the top and search green. Once you do this, you'll see green screen right here in the top middle that is from Snapchat. Select that. Once it comes up, select the image. And what you want to do is make sure that your face cannot be found by the actual camera. Then just take a picture, selecting the camera button. And there you go. You can now add text to it just like you would any other snap. From there, hit send to in the bottom right, find the person you want to send it to, and then select send. Now when we go back, we can view the snap, and it actually is a snap. It's not a picture. All right, so that's how you send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Snapchat tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.